Hey guys, so here's how I make my DIY black soap shampoo and face wash. I take an African black soap. I did get this from Amazon, and I just take a small piece from it. I didn't measure, sorry guys. But while you're about to chop up, you go ahead and put your water on. You can boil your water. I use an electric kettle, and I like to chop mine up into very, very, very fine, small pieces. That way it doesn't take that long to dissolve. Then you're gonna take your plastic cup. No, you're not gonna do this actually, because when you take a plastic cup and you put hot water in it, it melts. I don't know why I did this. I don't know. I just totally skipped a whole step. But anyway, as you can see, my bottle is totally going to shrink down. So I end up putting it into a glass jar, which is what you should do in the first place, which is what I usually do. I don't know why I skipped a step. Anyway, trying to record. So anyway, you're going to make sure it dissolves all the way fully. And I think it took about less than like 10 minutes to go ahead and dissolve. That's why I like the small pieces. You're going to take your little raggedy little bottle. And I use a funnel and I use cheesecloth. And with the cheesecloth, you go ahead and you just pour it into the bottle, and the cheesecloth help with that like residue. So you don't want that on your skin or your hair. Then this is where it's at. You're going to take some organic shea nut oil. This is basically shea butter melted and liquefied. Then you're going to take some turmeric essential oil, and I put about 2 full drops of that into it because it's going to be for hair, anti-inflammation, and for face for brightening up the skin. Then you're going to go ahead and take your pump. You can buy a pump bottle from Amazon, and you can see here it's liquefied, but it still has that really nice moisture to it, which I absolutely love. Look at that. Now we're going to do a test on our skin and our hair just so I can show you guys. So here's my little greasy face. Okay, yeah, I ate something that made my face greasy. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and clarify. So I wet my face first, and here is the lather, and make sure you get your neck. I love this face wash, you guys. Like, this is what I've been using for quite some time, and I always just do like circular motions. I get my eyebrows, I get my neck, I go really in like on making sure that I do circular motions and just getting the soap into my face. But as you can see, I love the way it just refreshed my skin. Like, oh, do y'all see that refreshness? Love. Okay, second test. Hair. So I went ahead and sectioned off my hair. Look at my hair. I'm dyeing my hair later, so I wanted to clarify my hair, and I'm going to use black soap to do it, just to get off all the nasty, icky products from it. So here's a black soap here, and like the instant lather that it gave my hair. Not only did it like make my hair soft, it was actually easy for me to like finger detangle my hair because of the shea nut oil. And you see my face, I'm like, girl, this works. So I actually end up rinsing my hair out so that you guys can actually see my hair. Like, well, here's the before and after, sorry. And then I end up rinsing my hair out so you guys can see how it looked. Do you see the curls is popping? Like, what? It looks so good. I love this black soap, y'all. Clarifying the moisture. Like, look at that. It just gave my curls life. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Follow for more tips.